Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give you another reaction. Woo! Hey guys, today we are with StingDem. Yes, StingDem again. This is not the first or the second time we have featured StingDem on the channel. Big up yourself, StingDem. StingDem with Dead Faces. Yes, big up the production team. JAMAICA'S. Big up yourself, fam. Yes, big up your damn self, me G. I could jump in the one here. Dead Faces is all about money, I believe. Let's go.
I'm here. StingDem. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Judgy. Yo, just see me, man.
Outside.
Me Pinto. You know. Me light a spark, that weed that reach my thoughts. And me and got a dog, and I'm like I gotta walk. Dogs I'm evil, gotta work crazy, then no stand a chance. My future bright, you fucking bright, I can't even take a glance. Set the deal, get a glass, make a toast, don't it quack. That bitch a freaky cash and need it.
The floor sick like flu. Take off my glasses, cause I wanna get interested. The floor sick like flu. JAMAICA'S, because myself again, my J. The one that I go pin on the top of the comment section. Make sure you go check out the G channel. Yes, and tell them say, yo, who send you? Who send you?
You know it's definitely about representing Jamaica's worst gamer. React. What a reaction.
I'm here. StingDem. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Judgy. Yo, just see me, man.
Let's go.
Clarendon. Me Pinto. You know. Me light a spark, that weed that reach my thoughts. And me and got a dog, and I'm like I gotta walk. Dogs I'm evil, gotta work crazy, then no stand a chance. My future bright, you fucking bright, I can't even take a glance. Set the
Yeah, man, saying future bright, you can't even take a glance. Yo, we are bright. Yeah, not even your darkers can help you the way thing bright.
gotta work crazy, then no stand a chance. My future bright, you fucking bright, I can't even take a glance. Set
The future bright, you're fucking bright, you can't even take a glance. Hear me, I say, man. Yo, that song about. It just started and I'm like the floor. Man, just cool with it. You know who him
StingDem.
remind me of Panda One, yeah?
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
He remind me of Nation Boss, Floor.
Yo, just see me,
Panda
man.
rhythm, dog. Bad.
Clarendon.
Nation Boss said it.
Me Pinto.
Good comparison.
You know.
Ready?
Me light a spark, that weed that reach my thoughts. And me and got a dog, and I'm like I gotta walk. Dogs I'm evil, gotta work crazy, then no stand a chance. My future bright, you fucking bright, I can't even take a glance. Set the deal, get a glass, make a toast, don't it quack. That bitch a freaky cash, she need me, so she turn me on. Do it for the money, gal. Make that shit, make your transform, make your transform.
Yeah, I'm saying that shit money for her make you transform. In a what? What she transform in a?
I'm here. StingDem. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Judgy.
Again!
Yo, just see me, man.
Remember the one you're putting in the comment section, go check it out.
Me Pinto.
Tell them say Jamaica worst gamer, send you, man. Send them.
Me light a spark, that weed that reach my thoughts. And me and got a dog, and I'm like I gotta walk. Dogs I'm evil, gotta work crazy, then no stand a chance. My future bright, you fucking bright, I can't even take a glance. Set the deal, get a glass, make a toast, don't it quack. That bitch a freaky cash, she need me, so she turn me on. Do it for the money, gal. Make that shit, make your transform, make your transform. Hey. I saw we living the life, no me a Pinto. Just the morning we like those stinking notes. Enough stinking notes. Say we pockets like a mad. Dead faces. Say we pockets like a mad.
Dead faces.
Yeah. You must think me easy, no sweet, Reese's Pieces. My piece, it no leave me, yeah. Just need a bitch to please me. Me make she suck and feel it. I saw we do it from the south. Me
I'm saying, yo, need a bitch to please me, make you suck and feel it. Yes, where she feel it. Up in her belly, 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 belly. Up in her belly, 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 belly. Up in her good.
She think me easy, not sweet, Reese's Pieces. My piece, it no leave me, yeah. Just need a bitch to please me. Me make she suck and feel it. I saw we do it from the south. Me have a freak, but I feel your wife and digging out. From me dipping at the back.
Man say me have a freak, but I feel your wife I'm digging out. I wear the blood clot I go on here, so. I go on.
Leave me, yeah. Just need a bitch to please me. Me make she suck and feel it. I saw we do it from the south. Me have a freak, but I feel your wife and digging out. From me dipping at the back, a couple million me flip out. Yeah, the beast is speedy, cause my dogs, I'm love it, trick it out. Take your girl so easy, never give her love, me trick it, bro. With dead faces.
Money take away your girl, boy.
Dead faces, yeah. I saw we living the life, no, me a bento. Just the money we like, those stinking notes. No, stinking notes. Say we pockets like a mag. Dead faces. Say we pockets like a mag. Dead faces.
Man pocket like it's like a mark.
No need for brag about it. Still have it close and roaming. Like in my home and zoning. Dogs and patrol and phoning. Set the money on the road. Still turn it run about. Never known for run remote. Here's hard. That's why me never laid back. Until till long days pass. Hop in the beast, me skate off. And me
Here flow you Bumbo Here flow while I go the last verse, my boy. You hear flow the last verse, boy.
Dead faces, yeah. You must think me easy, not sweet, Reese's Pieces. My piece, it no leave me, yeah. Just need a bitch to please me. Me make she suck and feel it. I saw we do it from the south. Me have a freak, but I feel white when digging out. Me dipping at the back, a couple million me flip out. Yeah, the beast is speedy, cause my dogs, I'm love it, trick it out. Take your girl so easy, never give her love, me trick it, bro. With dead faces. Say we pockets like a man. Dead faces, yeah. I saw we living the life, no, me a bento. Just the money we like, though. Stinking notes, no, stinking notes. Say we pockets like a mag. Dead faces. Say we pockets like a mag. Dead faces, yeah. No need for brag about it. Still have it close and roaming. Like in my home and zoning. Dogs and patrol and phoning. Set the money on the road. Still turn it run about. Never known for run remote. Here's hard. That's why me never laid back. Until till long days pass. Hop in the beast, me skate off. And me no listen, no talk. Cause me no see them at all. Just making nice, them so small. Me need me feet them hands. Aye. I saw we living the life, no, me a bento. Just the money we like, though. Thinking notes, no, stinking notes. Say we pockets like a man. Dead faces. Say we pockets like a man. Dead faces, yeah.
Cloud, Americans, big up yourself. Yes, plenty flyby. Yes, street cinema, big up yourself. Are you shoot a one here? Yes, me G, are you shoot the body, oh, fuck your body, fuck. Yeah, man, StingDem, big up yourself, bro. Each song when I listen to you, bro, get better and better. For me, in my eyes, get better and better, bro. I don't know what Amira do over there. But Amir, you do a great job with the G career, my G. So big up yourself. The flow bad, bro. Honestly, dog, the flow bad, bro. That faces, bro. Yo. That faces in the pocket. The man saying back it come like a mark, bro. Me a Pentown. Stand up. Don't know. Yeah. Bro, I like to see the G them. I put in the work. And I like to see the G them. I showcase them automobiles in the videos. Jamaica have money. Yes, Jamaica have money, bro. The G them have money. G them live them best life. Big up on yourself, dog. Continue putting in the good work. StingDem. Yeah, continue putting the work where the people them want. Yes, see me? Go and feed the fans them with music. And just stay up on the straight and narrow, my G. You see me? Yeah, dog. Yeah, I go places. Americans, big up yourself, my fam. Yeah, big up yourself, my G. you put out some bad project from ready, my fam. So big up yourself, yes. Like I said, I got pinned down in the comment section. So please go over the G channel. Right now, the G only have 95 subscribers, dog. Like, please, we need to go over him channel and subscribe and tell him say, yo, Jamaica game and send it over there. You understand? Yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section also about this one. Alright? I'll catch you guys down there. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. If I say I'm vice of the real artist progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.